plays hard. She loves hard. She is an all-American dog and a bit of a jerk.
And this hyper hound is a notorious thief.
I don't think we're ever going to get this back. It's a team effort between my wife, myself, or Andrew to catch her.
Too old for this, Penny. Out of shape.
Penny very often steals socks, hats, and shoes.
Yeah.
But occasionally she has gotten in an open fridge or freezer and has stolen frozen foods.
I think you have to cook
Chico.
that first,
Most nem rólad szól a
The
nóta.
pits have gone to great lengths to make sure most things are just out of Penny's reach.
We have had to penny-proof the house in many ways.
Despite all the extra work, Mike and Janine have decided they're head over heels for their son's troublemaking terror.
Penny's home.
And the feeling is mutual.
She's such a sweet, loving dog. She's funny. I love her stubbornness.
So the Pitts family decided together Penny should stay put. When Andrew leaves, he can take his clean laundry. One dirty little dog has a new home for good.
My baby. He has the big heart.
Ezt benéztem, ezt a kanyart. Igaz, Csíkó? Ugye Csíkó babám? Nézd csak! Nézd csak! Helikopter! Na, pacsi! 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 Na marad! Marad! Vissza! Oda! Ülj le és maradjál! Nézd a helikoptert! Marad! Kinyitottam az ablakot, kicsit kimenjen. Oxigén jöjjön be.
Weekend like no one's watching. Take the kids. Leave the kids. Make more kids. There is no sleep till bedtime. With over 500 Travelodge hotels across Britain and thousands of refurbished rooms, comfortable beds, there's nothing stopping you. Get up and go traveling.
Disney's travel budget's limited, but with Trivago, you can stretch them further. Enjoy more pleasure and luxury during your next business trip by using Trivago to compare hotel prices from more than 150 websites. Hotel Trivago.
At Wickes, the 50% off kitchen unit sale now has an extra 10% off sale prices until 12th of October. Visit one of our showrooms today.
The Tradeline.com app can save you 43% on average on train tickets. But it can't save you from infections or basic infections. It can't save you if you get locked out of your car on match day. Or from one of those IT problems. And obviously it's not going to save you from without a parachute. The Tradeline.com app. Read the train stuff. Rubbish for anything else.
Már megint nem tudtam leszállni a kanapéra.
What would it be like?
I would have a super doctor who would zap people better. There will be somewhere for Granny where she can do her gardening with her friends. The kid bear would live there and look after everyone's kids.
At Bupa, we have no shareholders. Our priority is looking after you. Through our care homes, health insurance, home health care, health centres and centres. Bupa, our focus is your health.
And then impale your father on first-degree murder charge. Insufficient evidence. Dad cannot go to prison. I can't help it if you won't let me do my job. All right. The judge.
Is it something in the water that famously surrounds you? Or everything that surrounds you?
Yeah, no, it's like Tropic August. Oh, yeah, fine stuff.
Your spirit's infectious. And your swagger, it's right up our street. It's here. The stylish new
Ez az, ez egy pontos leszállás volt. Igaz, Csinkó? Igaz, babák? Ugye édes a kis kutyám. Igen, bizony. Hát szia, Csinkó. Szia. Szereted a apukádat. Bizony. Bizony. Ott nem éred el a kezed. Ott nem éred el. Na. És csak a helikopter? Nézd a helikopter, Csikó. Marad, hely, vissza, Csikó, vissza a helyedre. Hol a helyed? Ott maradjál. Felszáll a helikopter, és nem szólsz bele. Ott maradsz, és csak figyelsz. Igen, apu szerel egy picit, várjál. Ennyi volt. Minden megy tovább.
I want to go to Dubai. Hotel Trivago.
Vicky Harris, you're our kind of person. Through your lens, everyone looks photogenic, flawlessly framed, and perfectly posed. You couldn't take a bad picture if you tried. If anyone's giving extra, it's you, Vicky. And at the Halifax, we think people who give extra should get extra back from their bank. Like a £5 reward each month with our reward current account.
Ez kurvára nem jött össze. Ez kurvára nem jött össze.
Love like this.
This is an old story.
Never dies. It kills.
Naked jealousy.
Total rage. Scold. Crimes of passion. Friday at 11. Party Fatal Friday. Only on iTunes.
Baszki.
In this week's episode of Bad Dogs, we've seen a bathing bunny, a dog take a dive, and a boxer punch out a window. But who's
Basz meg
this
magad.
week's baddest of the bad?
Csíko, te hol vagy? Félsz? Félsz, babám?
Is it
Hagyd békén a helikoptert. Hagyd békén a helikoptert. Ne törd össze nekem. Gyere ide, ülj le. Gyere, ülj le. Ül. Ülj le. Úgy. Marad. Úgy. Maradj itt. Marad. Marad.
He chewed everything. Unfortunately, the damage was that bad that we had to throw the coffee table away because he chewed the leg. And we had to throw the sofa away because the dirt was ingrained that deep into the sofa.
Max may be the most spoiled dog we've ever seen, but is he this week's worst?
He did go to a doggy daycare centre and they said that they didn't really want him back.
Max is bad, but don't try to freeze out Leo for this week's baddest. A lovable lab who sinks his teeth into everything.
Leo is a garbage guy.
Especially the refrigerator door.
Leo is the Houdini of breaking into refrigerators. So I set up a video camera outside of the refrigerator and one inside the refrigerator. Put a chair in front of the refrigerator to deter him. Drove my daughter to school. The minute I leave, you see him sniff at the trash can and then go to look out the window to make sure I'm gone. He was free and clear. He just opened the refrigerator handle with his teeth and he just went gangbusters.
Leave Leo alone at your own risk. Or at least the risk of anything that has food in it.
Leo does a lot of things when it comes to food. He will jump into any open car to look for food or snacks. He will open my glove compartment. If I have him in the car when I go grocery shopping, I have to put the groceries on the hood of my car if I have to run an errand because he'll tear into that. He will steal my daughter's lunch bags and tear into them. Refrigerators, freezers, he'll raise the countertops. If my kids are eating,
and they need to go to the bathroom, they'll say, guard my food, because he will just be so brazen and then take the food right off of the plates. I had my book club met here last month. Someone brought a tray of cheese, and he just, we were sitting right there, and he just turned around and, you know, his tongue went out, he sniffed it out, and took a whole stack of cheese.
But will Leo be able to eat his way to our crown?